LinkedIn Outreach. Expand your network and sales pipeline. LinkedIn lead generation is a purposeful process, and you can't expect to get a large number of monthly leads by accident. To achieve your objectives, you'll need a sales funnel, and key marketing skills will help you develop one on LinkedIn. What exactly is a sales pipeline? A sales pipeline is the setup of the complete sales process with the goal of consistently bringing leads. The sales pipeline is the lifeblood of every company's growth. The sales pipeline includes every stage from identifying the ideal client persona through selling them and monitoring their experience. What are the advantages of having a LinkedIn sales pipeline? The majority of decision makers are in LinkedIn. To market your product or service, it's best to connect with decision makers. Consider the following advantages. The location of your clients or leads. Knowing where your prospects or customers are stalled in the sales pipeline is helpful. You can immediately identify the flaw in order to increase sales. Helps you see prospects' backgrounds. You may quickly and simply extract a lot of information about an opportunity on LinkedIn. Everyone thinks business. Your ideal prospects are definitely thinking about photographs when they're on Instagram. They consider debating current events. How do you create a LinkedIn sales pipeline? Today, it is simple to develop a sales pipeline because we have fantastic lead sources. However, it is preferable to employ a team of professionals that will produce the best results. Prospect requirement. Before you can establish a successful sales pipeline, you must first qualify your leads. It suggests that addressing product-based firms is pointless if your product is meant for service-based businesses. Message prospects. After you've filtered out the low-hanging fruit, you'll need to approach them. The process's fate is largely determined by the messaging. Use referrals. One way to generate regular leads through the LinkedIn sales funnel is to use referrals. As your LinkedIn network grows, you'll have access to profiles of professionals who are similar to you. Sealing the deal. Once the target has responded, invite them to call you and discuss how your solutions can benefit their company. Your buyer is already planning to buy the product. All you have to do now is give them a gentle nudge. How sales pipeline measured its effectiveness. The following measures can assess the success of the sales pipeline. Pipeline velocity. Keep track of how quickly prospects travel from one step of the sales funnel to the next. Conversion rate. The number of opportunities converted into clients is referred to as the conversion rate. LinkedIn is the ideal medium for increasing sales if your plan is sound. To create a network that keeps the client flowing in a loop, you'll need to devise a system or approach. The best method to do so is to create a sales pipeline. KLT Social will help you set up and manage your LinkedIn strategies that are best for your business.